a year's time, maybe I'll have a promotion.
You're late, 3650.
Doesn't matter. I've got friends in high places. You know that.
Screw you, 36.
I got held up. Sorry.
No patrol for you today. Crap duty.
Great. Early headed.
Go past the citadels, take a right, and then a left. You know the rest.
Okay, I'm on it.
Wow, the teacher's fell asleep. What a classic day. You gonna pay up or what?
Pay up.
Poker? 2 nights ago? Right after our shift? Don't tell me you got your brain scrubbed and don't remember. Guess I'll even tell everyone else.
I'll have him soon.
This is why nobody likes you. You mooch and mooch and expect to be bailed out. Fuck you.
Fine. Guess I'll keep my credits if you're gonna be like that.
Stop looking at me like that.
Like I care what you think.
Rather than try to answer every possible question you might have.
Oh, 3650. You know, breaking code 46-12 doesn't make you smart. It makes you reckless.
It gets results.
You're late, dumbass. How many others are there? We know you're not alone in this. You'll stop talking when we click his head. They always do.
Better keep your voice down. I think that's 3650. Still haven't got memory replacement, huh? What, feeling guilty?
Guilty.
There's a 36. Has a boot taste.
You'll be tasting my boot if you don't shut up.
Let me guess, your prize launcher again. Well, don't congratulate me.
As if.
Hey, you got something on your suit.
Must be installed. It must be brought to and made.
36, you reckon the District 6 killer needs an accomplice?
This
I feel like you can write it.
Whatever.
exercise without moving a single step.
Watch your mouth.
Can't you see I'm busy? I appreciate the hard work you do in 36. Listening to flow, listening to God, this is better.
Whatever, creep.
Hey, come to the firing range later. Maybe you can help you eventually. hanging out there with a gun 36. I feel like I wouldn't be able to relax at all if that were the case. Hey, 36! Up here! I'm dealing with the Vance case. I'll be with you soon.
You always get the interesting cases.
I'll fill you in later. Climb up, get started. Go get those head crabs.
I feel like a TV dinner. 28, can you hear me? My path is blocked.
I hear you, 36. I can get that vent cover open for you. Hold on.
Just been a car salesman. Man, what a shitty job. Oh yeah, it was a shitty life. I used to love ripping people off. She got 21. Where is 21 anyway? But he's covering for 36. Holy shit, 21 used to be in social care. What a turnaround. 36. 36. He was a David Walker. He was a prison guard. Arizona. His wife died. And somebody took his kid. Abduction. Big investigation. No leads. Except him, you mean? Looks like there was a media storm. That put pressure on the cops. They all came up and threw away the key. No wonder he's psychotic. So it did perk his family cohesion services. Family? What? He's probably trying to find out who took his daughter. Isn't it obvious? That sick freak killed her. Let's make sure he never gets that perk. I didn't talk about sucker too. I'm gonna fuck his nose.
They're gonna throw away everything I've worked for. I won't let them.
Donating units contained.
I'm innocent. It won't happen again, I swear.
Say that it does at 3650. This will affect your performance. You will have to make up for your lost credits.
Of course. I'll double my rounds.
Lucky for you, you're worth 5 of those guys.
Ground protection unit.
I'm gonna put you on island duty for a while. Get you away from these city cops.
The albums. Okay.
Make up the credits. Then we can talk.
clear this place nice and quick. Razor train will arrive in about 10 minutes. It's gonna pull up right next to the main building. The cargo goes on the train, and then we head back to 17. Clear? If we can get that cargo back, we're all getting advances. That brings us a lot closer to our perks. Don't screw this up.
All protection team units. Complete the entity at will.
I'm innocent.